Is this how you're hoping to retire? Well, hope isn't a good retirement strategy. You've worked for a comfortable retirement for years. Now you need to plan for retirement income. Learn ways to avoid common mistakes, like being too conservative or not setting retirement goals. Have someone on your side to keep you on track.
Call for Fisher's Comfortable Retirement Kit with the help you need to make your retirement a success, including the Investor's Guide to a Comfortable Retirement, 13 retirement blunders to avoid, and maximize your Social Security. Call
Fisher tailors a plan to keep you on track for a retirement you want. And as a fiduciary, we do better when our clients do better.
Call now for your Comfortable Retirement Kit. Call.
If your retirement portfolio is $500,000 or more, call us today. You don't have it coming to you unless you plan for it.
Call